I can cook in it and not feel like I'm cramped in on myself. We could have more than one person in there. I have so much space and storage to put stuff away. My countertops are open. It's we're not the way the kitchen was before. There was only like 12 inches of cabinetry on the side of the stove, and that was it. So now I love to cook, and I cook often and do lots of big meals, and so I can stage stuff ready to go into what's going on. My pantry, I can actually pull out the drawers and see where things are, and I'm not having to unload a whole shelf like I was in the closet pantry that we used to have. Just the whole thing. It's just, there have been times I've just sat down and just looked at it and go, it just doesn't even look like the same place. And I just love it.